Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Red Review channel. Today I have a nice little accessory from our friends over at Elecfresh, and what it is are a couple of the center console organizer boxes. This comes as a set. There's a front one and a back one. I'm going to go ahead and install this and see how this actually goes. In any case, stay with us and we'll be back in just a minute. Here we are with the two boxes. They do come as a set, which I really like, and one's a lot easier to install than the other. I'll just show you a couple of their features real quick. Here we have the front console box. It comes with two cup holders here and a nice little storage bin. You can put stuff in there and it holds all your stuff. This one goes in the front between the seats on the floor. It's actually pretty convenient and it's very easy to install. Quite frankly, we just put it on the floor and it just sits there. That's pretty much it. The second one that we have is the rear one. It's almost identical to the front one, except the back one has a couple of clips with it because the back one can tend to slip around a little bit. So it has these little clips that are on the side here, and we have some pieces that we have to install with it. Shouldn't be very difficult, should only take just a minute, and we'll see how it goes. Let's get to it. So as I promised, the front one should be fairly simple to install. It just sits between the two seats underneath the center console on the floor. However, I will caution you, if you're like me and you have this center console storage box already installed, which goes on the floor, it's a big rubberized piece. It does not fit in here. So you actually have to remove this. So I'm gonna, for now, take this and I'm gonna take this and put it to the side for now. And that leaves the floor here. And this box is pretty simple. It just goes right here up front. Goes back here, boom. It's installed. There's the door. It's not going anywhere. It's pretty solid in there. It has some foam pieces on the side that you might be able to make out right here. That's what's actually holding it in. And you would just put it down right there, just like that. And it's good to go. That's one way of doing it. You can also take it, pick it up. Whoops. The whole lid comes off of this. I just learned something new. I did not know the whole lid comes off. But you can pick it up, turn it around, put it up front up here. Works just as well the same way around. So it can go either way. I think I am just going to leave it turned around back here because quite frankly, if you watch the channel at all, you realize that I don't like looking at clutter. So I tend to turn it around and just leave it back here. This is how you install the front one. Not complicated at all. So let's go to the back one. The first thing we're going to want to do is move the seats forward because we have to install something on the rails. So I'm just going to move my seats forward here. I don't have to go too far forward. And I'll go ahead and go around and I'm going to move the other one. Let's go ahead and move this one. There we go. Close that. And we'll get our other box over here. All right, so here I am in the back seat. And what we're going to do, we're actually going to take these pieces right here and we're going to attach these to the lower portions of the seat down here and here to hook these on and have them hold the box. Okay, so here I'm in the back seat and I have the center console storage for the back seat. It comes with three things. One, it comes with two of these, and what these are little covers that are actually going to go on your seat tracks in the back seat. The third thing it comes with is this. This is a trim tool. The trim tool is going to be used to pry the trim that's currently on that seat track off, and we're gonna stick these on instead. Should go on fairly easily. Watch how this is done. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take off this little trim piece right here that's sitting on the track for us. And we are going to pry this off of here. We're gonna use our pry tool to take this off. We're just gonna take it, stick it in right here, and this is gonna pull off. It's just a little piece of plastic leather here. Take that off there. I'm gonna use it, pry it off here. Get under there. This whole thing just pries right on off. And we're just gonna pull it off, just like this. See? So it's just a piece of plastic that just pulls right on off. Then we're gonna take this piece right here and we're just gonna slide it on. The way that I know I have the correct side is because this black portion with the notch in it goes to the inside of the vehicle. So this one's just gonna go right where the other one was, and it's gonna take its place. Go right here from the end. We're gonna slide it on just like this, and we're just gonna push a little bit with a little bit of pressure, and it's gonna push right into place as it passes by a couple of notches that are there. Just like that, boom, it's installed. That's this one installed. So let's go ahead and install the other one. So here's the second one. We're gonna do exactly like as we did before. We're gonna take our little trim tool and we're gonna pry this one off. There we go. Just pry that off of there like that. Let's get our other piece. Once again, we have the piece with the black notch to the inside, just like that. We're gonna put it in, shove that on, and then we're gonna lock it into place. Boom, that's done. Now all we have to do is line up our notches, which are on the side right here, and we're gonna put them in those two little slots that we created. And just like that, it's installed with no problem at all. Everything just slid right on into place. It was very easy, and it actually looks really good. So there we are. The front took all of 15 seconds to install. This one took maybe, I don't know, 2 minutes. This was a really easy job to do, actually. Anybody can do this one. Everything just slid right off the rails and it slid right on into place. I really didn't have any trouble with this one. I was surprised how easy it was. It looked a lot more daunting than it actually was. And I think this is actually pretty useful in the back seat. We will see. Although the only comment I can make is that the cup holders in the back seat, I'm not sure how much clearance you have for your straw, maybe, I don't know. But for most cups, I don't think it'll be a problem. Storage space is good here. Now I actually have some place to put my controller right in there, just like that. For the kids to play the games in the back seat, boom, done. I have some place to put it. Now I feel a whole lot better. Good install. Once again, this is the center console from Elecfresh. Don't forget to look in the comments below, as we have discounts from a lot of our different vendors and our affiliates where you can get several discounted items if you use our codes that we have for the affiliate links below. Please utilize those. It helps us out greatly. As well, if you are in the market for a new Tesla, we have a discount code for that too. I guess it's going to come down to $1,000 off a new vehicle now, opposed to $2,000, but that's okay. So yeah, don't forget to use our affiliate links. Use the code REDFIRE for some discounts at our affiliate vendors. Follow the link and put that code in and you will get some amount of money off of your items that you decide to purchase. This item is a good hit. I'm definitely keeping this one in my vehicle and I think it's going to work out really, really well. Well, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to check out my other videos for the accessories for Cybertruck. And like I said, we're going to be doing the Model 3 as well coming soon. I've got some really exciting things in the pipeline that you're going to want to see. And this is a little bit more of a complicated build. So stay tuned for that. Check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know what you want to see, what you like, what you don't like. And I'll be sure to get back with you. Until next time, this has been REDFIRE. Peace.